rationalize the denominator. Exercise 4.4. First question we are doing here is this. This is rationalization of denominator 3 by 4 square root 3. We multiply and divide by irrational value in the denominator. Irrational value in the denominator is square root 3. We multiply by it, divide by it. When we multiply and divide by this, what will we have? 3 square root 3 by 4. Square root 3 multiplied by square root 3 will be square root 3 square. And this square cancels root. What we have? We have 3 square root 3 by 4, and it is 3 here. We can write multiply by 3, this 3 cancels this 3, and finally we have square root 3 by 4. This is answer. Denominator is rationalized. वेरी गुड. फिर तो मुझे वॉच टाइम भी मिल जाएगा ना. एक और सॉल्व करते हैं ऑफ द सेम काइंड. 6 बाय स्क्वायर रूट 8 स्क्वायर रूट 27. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. 6 बाय, वी कैन राइट इट 4 multiply by 2, 9 multiply by 3, and what will we have? 6 by square root of 4 is 2, it will become 2 square root 2. Root of 9 will be 3, it becomes 3 square root 3. This 3 remains under the root, this 2 remains under the root, and this becomes 3, this becomes 2. After that we see 6 by, look at it, this 2 multiplied by this 3, they will make 6. This 2 and this 3, these two are under the root, they will make under the root 6. Now we can see that this 6 will cancel this. It is 1 by square root 6. 1 by square root 6. Now irrational denominator is, square root 6 is an irrational denominator. We multiply and divide by square root 6. Multiply and divide by this, we will have square root 6 numerator. Square root 6 will make square root 6 square. They will remove the root, and this is answer. Square root 6 by 6. Denominator of this was irrational, now is rational. So denominator has been made rational. Our denominator is rationalized. You can see answer.